What's up mga ka-chill ride? Ngayong araw magpapa-change nga pala ako ng panggilid dito sa JVT Moto Shop. Namili na ako ng ipangpapalit ko dito sa aking motor. Pumili ako ng center spring na 1200 RPM, Flyball na 11 grams, JVT na pulley set, at ito nga pala ang gagamitin kong Kobe na CVT cleaner. Okay to at recommend talaga ng mga mekaniko dito. Ito nga pala si kuya, sinisimulan niya ng baklasin yung panggilid ng aking Nmax. Nilinis niya na gamit yung Kobe na binili ko. Okay daw to at talagang nakakalinis ng panggilid. Ayan, at nag-spray na siya ng panghangin para mawala yung natitirang dumi o debris dun sa panggilid ng motor ko. At ayun, natapos na yung paglilinis. Ngayon, chinecheck niya na kung ano pa yung mga kailangan gamitin. Sinimulan na pala ni kuyang baklasin at naglagay na siya ng grasa. Binuksan na ni kuya yung flyball. 11 grams nga pala to. May mga kanto-kanto na rin pala.
Grabe yan, may kanto.
Ayan, malapit na matapos ni kuya at mukhang isasalpak niya na yung panggilid. Tatry niya nga pala pa mamaya kung okay yung nagawa niya. Kasi kung hindi, babaklasin niya daw ulit. Nasa 15 odo na pala ang tinakbo ng motor ko. Marami na itong napuntahan. Nakapunta na kami ng Baguio, Marilake, nakapunta na rin to ng Quezon Province. Marami na kami napuntahan ng motor na to. At saka nga pala, kaya pala ako magpapalit ng panggilid ay para mahanda ko tong motor na to kasi balak namin sumali sa endurance. At ito, sinecheck na nga pala ni kuya yung pagkakalagay niya. Sinisigurado niyang maayos at okay. At para walang magiging problema. At ayun, natapos na ni kuya. Siguradong magiging maganda ang performance ng motor ko. Excited na ako ulit mag long ride sa malapit. At syempre, good performance to sa banking. Nako, mahilig pa naman akong mag-banking lalo na nung nasa Marilake. Siya nga pala, kung gusto nyong magpaayos at magpalagay ng panggilid, punta lang kayo dito sa JVT Moto Shop. Dito rin kasi ako nagpalagay. Ayan o, nakikita nyo talaga nililinis ni kuya. Sa mga magtatanong pala kung anong ginamit ko na panggilid, bale, ang binili ko is JVT set na pulley, tapos Yashimura na center spring 1200 RPM at flyball. Bale, yung flyball pala is 11 straight grams. Dito nga pala to sa along highway lang ng Las Piñas sa Pote Road. Malapit to sa hypermarket. At ito yung papunta doon sa SM South Mall. At ayun guys, kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na vlog ko. Let's go!
Gearless scooter is one of the most common two-wheelers popular in many parts of the world. They are typically equipped with an automatic transmission system. This transmission system is known as continuously variable transmission, or CVT. The basic principle of a pulley-based CVT can be demonstrated by using this simple setup. It has a driver pulley and a driven pulley with variable diameters. A V-belt with constant length runs between these two pulleys. High RPM is obtained by increasing the diameter of the driver pulley and decreasing the diameter of the driven pulley. High torque is obtained by doing the opposite. This system allows us to achieve infinite number of drive ratios between the minimum and maximum limits. It is not possible to simply change the diameters of solid pulleys as shown in this demonstration, so engineers developed certain mechanisms to obtain similar mechanical characteristics. A variator assembly is used for this purpose. Here, the pulley is made up of two conical plates. One of them is fixed to the input shaft, and the other is free to slide along its axis. A V-belt runs between these plates. The rear side also has two conical plates between which the belt runs. One of these plates is fixed to the shaft, while the other can slide sideways. A compression spring forces the sliding plate to stay close to the other plate. This forces the belt to stay at the highest diameter of this pulley. In the driver pulley, the axial stiffness of the belt pushes the sliding cone farthest apart. This causes the driver pulley to have minimum diameter. This is the condition of high torque, low RPM. To obtain high RPM, the diameter of the driver pulley decreases and that of the driven pulley increases. Let's understand how this is achieved in the actual scooter CVT. The sliding conical plate of the driver pulley has a set of rollers or sliders as shown here. When the engine is at low RPM, the rollers are held near the center of the pulley. As the engine gains speed, centrifugal force causes rollers to move outwards along a curved surface. These rollers push against the ramp plate. Since the ramp plate is fixed, the sliding conical plate is forced towards the other plate. Let's see the diameter change in slow motion. This is similar to the condition of high RPM, low torque, as we observed in the demonstration. This transmission system includes a centrifugal clutch assembly. The inner portion consists of weighted arms held in place by extension springs. These arms are connected to the pulley. The clutch housing is connected to the output gear. When sufficient speed is reached, the centrifugal force causes the arms to swing outward, and the friction pads engage with the clutch housing. The clutch housing transfers power to the rear wheel through a gear train.